Hi, if you're wondering whether your iPhone 16e has dual SIM card slots, then let's find out together. For that, we need to take this tool, which is called ejector pin, and it is for opening SIM card tray. Also, it goes in conflict with the device. But if you lost it, don't worry, you can find it almost everywhere, or try to use a needle instead of this one, but be really careful not to damage the slot. So we need to find it on the left side of the phone. Take ejector pin and place it in this little hole right here. Then slightly press till the slot will pop up like that, and remove it using nails. So let's take a close look. As you can see, we got here space for one SIM card and mine is already inserted. And if we flip it, we'll see that there is no space for a second SIM card. So unfortunately, it is designed only for one SIM card. As you can see, I cannot place mine right here, only in this one slot. So the answer is no, this phone does not support dual SIM cards. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.